I spent $1,000 on courses at 18 as an Indian student when everything I need was completely free on YouTube. If I could go back again, I would do the exact same thing, but faster. This isn't a video telling you to drain your saving account or steal your parents' credit card. This is me telling you exactly what that $1,000 has bought me, what it didn't buy, and the brutal reality of trying to break out of the middle class before you even turn 20. I'm still middle in this story, but here is exactly how it started. Last year I joined my college at 18, and from the day one, I felt completely out of place. I'd walk in a room and everyone was either talking about relationship, drama, or just potentially wasting their time. Nobody has a vision past the weekend. Then one day, a teacher stood in front of our class and said something that actually changed everything. He looked at us and said, if you grind your ass off for the next 4 years, you can land a job of 30 to 40,000 rupees a month. I just sat there doing the maths in my head. My father was paying close to that amount every single year just to keep me in the seat. That was the ceiling they were selling to me. I came from a middle class family. My parents were sacrificing to support this, and that exact moment I made a decision. I'm not going to spend the next 4 years working towards a number that my father already pays. The normal part was dead to me. Let's talk about what that $1,000 have bought me. What does that money buy you in a professional college? It buys you a professor who hasn't actually done anything for the past decade. It buys you a piece of paper that gives you permission to beg for a job for 30,000 rupees. Worse, it buys you a 4 years of hiding spot where you can pretend you are making progress without ever facing the real market. I looked at that and then I looked at myself. I realized something brutal. In college, you pay money to learn the past. When you invest in your own skill, you pay the money to buy the future. So I took the same amount of money and bet it on myself. I didn't buy a syllabus, I bought speed. If I stayed in my college, my ceiling was my professor's salary. By dropping out and investing in myself, my ceiling became whoever I was willing to learn from. Initially, I looked at animation. I liked it, but looking at the trajectory of AI, I could see where the industry is moving. But short form video editing, personal branding, the demand for that was exploding, and the learning curve wasn't a big wall. So I placed my bet and joined my first course, The Ultimate Editors from Joseph. And immediately something shifted. It wasn't just the technical skills. For the first time, I had momentum. YouTube gives you information, but a course that gave me a direction. Here is my simple philosophy. You can either spend time or you can spend the money. At 18, I choose to spend money to protect my time because the cost of going slow at this age isn't money, it's months. And months compound. What did that money actually buy? It bought me a community, a personal coach, direct feedback. It gave me a massive shortcut through months of trials and error on After Effects and personal branding. Within a year, I grew so much that the $1,000 investment started to feel like underpayment. Not for the course, but for me. My own standards skyrocketed. I stopped thinking about how to make $500 a month and started thinking how I can track down and make $2,000 a month. But after a while, I hit a wall again. Technically, I was solid. I knew the software inside and out, but there was a gap. I realized I was just an executor, but I had absolutely no psychological framework. Around this time, Devin Jato's style was booming, and the guy who actually executing that style in the trenches every single day was none other than David Masila. Created a course, Apex Editor. I dropped another $500 on that. For an Indian teenager, that is not a casual number. But I realized I wasn't buying a course anymore. I was buying the access of the brain to the guy who lives inside that style. Apex taught me one thing that separates me from everyone: the pre-edit framework. Before I even open my software now, I have to figure out exact business objective, map out the visual anchors, and plan the research before any edit. I learned that if you are just dropping media into the timeline without a plan, you aren't just editing, you are just guessing. But here's the biggest secret nobody talks about: the community. I went from feeling like an alien in my own college, surrounded by people who just wanted to kill their own time, to sitting in a digital room with killers. People from Mexico, Reunion Island, and all over the globe. All of them were building. And then I met him, 16-year-old, earning $5,000 a month. Yes, you heard me right. 5 fucking K a month at age 16. I was turning 20 and I thought I was grinding. I thought I was moving fast. But that kid punched me in the face with reality. He showed me I was thinking way too fucking small. No FD, no saving account, no YouTube tutorial can give you the experience of seeing what is actually possible in front of your own face. Let me level with you. It's not all sunshines and massive retainers. A lot of clients have reached out to me, but the budget they are offering, they are on the word of time that I have to put it in. I am still figuring out how to bridge the gap between getting leads and closing high ticket retainers. That is my honest struggle right now, and there is weight to this. Heavy pressure. My parents are watching. I choose to drop out and skip the traditional path. Now I have to prove it was the right call for me. Not with big talks, but with hard results. That pressure is real. But I am turning 20 this year. My goal is 5 to 10k a month by the end of this year, and when I hit that goal, I am moving out of India. This is what every single day of work has been putting it. So should you do it? If you are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, do not blindly jump into a $500 course before you even know if you like the software or not. Spend a month or two in the dirt. Watch some free YouTube tutorials, join some free communities, and prove yourself that you are actually committed to it before you commit any capital to it. But once you know, stop making excuses, stop waiting. Every month you sit on the fence, saving money, someone else in the paid community, getting reps, getting feedback, and stealing your future clients. The window to move fast is much shorter than you think. If I could call my 18-year-old self right now, I wouldn't tell him to save that $1,000. I would tell him to spend it faster and then get back to work. See you soon. Ace out.